The Bermuda Triangle, a name that strikes fear into the hearts of even the bravest sailors. Today, we are not just guessing from the surface above. We are going where no one has dared to go. Our team has prepared a specialized deep-sea drone to pierce the veil of this oceanic mystery. This machine is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to withstand the crushing weight of the abyss and record everything in stunning 8K high definition. The moment of truth has arrived. As the crane releases its grip, the drone begins its long journey down into the heart of the great unknown. The surface world disappears, replaced by a cold, blue silence. The drone descends rapidly, leaving the wind and the sun behind for the dark depths. Every meter down takes us further from safety. We are seeking the truth behind the legends of vanished ships and planes that haunt these waters. A drone has finally done the unthinkable. It has reached the very bottom of what experts call the open wound of the vast and deadly ocean. The deeper we go, the more the history of this place begins to reveal itself. Ghosts of the past are hidden everywhere in these sunless depths. Navigation is becoming difficult as the currents pull at the hull. This area is known for strange magnetic anomalies that baffle our navigation systems. We are now entering the twilight zone, where the last rays of the sun are extinguished. Total darkness is the only companion for our robotic explorer. As we descend, we move into a realm where time seems to stand still. The journey to the bottom of the triangle has officially begun now. The pressure is mounting, capable of crushing a submarine like a tin can. Only our drone's titanium shell keeps it from being destroyed right now. Strange, alien creatures appear in the light. These organisms have evolved to survive in conditions that would be lethal to almost any other life form. In this world of eternal night, light is a luxury and a weapon. The drone moves through a living galaxy of tiny, glowing, deep-sea organisms. The residents of the deep are watching. These predators of the dark have never seen artificial light before, and they are curious about our presence. Suddenly, the video feed begins to stutter. Unusual electromagnetic interference is hitting the sensors, just as the legends of the Bermuda Triangle always predicted. We are entering a region where the laws of physics seem to bend. The magnetism here is off the charts, pulling at the drone's instruments. Every movement must be precise. One mistake at this depth could mean losing the drone forever in the vast, unforgiving canyons of the ocean floor. The drone is now hovering over the edge of a massive trench. This is the point of no return, where the true secrets are hidden. Can you hear that? The water itself seems to whisper. A low, rhythmic vibration is coming from somewhere deep within the crust of the earth. Is that debris from a lost flight? We are finding traces of those who went missing, scattered like leaves in the wind across this graveyard. The geology here is baffling. These walls look almost manufactured, too straight and too smooth to be the result of natural tectonic movements over time. Life here is resilient and strange. Every organism we see is a reminder that we are intruders in a world that was never meant for us. What was that? A flash of light just appeared on the edge of our vision. It didn't look like bioluminescence, it looked like a signal. Navigation is failing. The magnetic field is completely chaotic here. We are flying blind, relying only on our sonar to guide the drone forward. We have reached the floor of the abyss. The silt is thick and white, like a blanket covering the secrets of 1,000 years past. Look at these patterns. They are too symmetrical to be random. Something has been moving down here, leaving tracks that suggest a deliberate design. Something huge is ahead. The sonar is picking up a massive structure that shouldn't exist. We are about to witness the impossible with our eyes. The sonar scans are coming through now. These aren't just rocks. We are looking at a grid of perfectly rectangular blocks buried beneath the sand. Nature does not create perfect right angles like this. These blocks are evidence of a construction, a monument lost to the sea ages ago. Under the dust, the material is dark and polished, almost like obsidian. It's cold, hard, and bears the marks of an advanced ancient craftsmanship. Our LiDAR mapping is revealing a hidden world. There is a complex network of tunnels and corridors stretching for miles beneath the ocean floor. We are passing through what looks like a grand entrance. This was once a city, or perhaps a temple, built when this land was dry. Back on the ship, the crew is silent. No one expected to find ruins at this depth. The discovery is rewriting everything we knew about history. This road leads deeper into the heart of the ruins. It is perfectly preserved, protected by the very pressure that keeps humans away from here. The carvings on these pillars are not language, they are maps of the stars. It seems the builders were obsessed with the heavens above them. This image is chilling. It depicts a descent from the sky into the sea. Is this a record of an ancient arrival from another world? These statues are haunting, faceless sentinels guarding a dead city. Who were they? And what happened to the people who carved these stone figures? The sensors are picking up movement again. Something large just disturbed the silt nearby. We are not alone in these ruins, it seems today. Thermal sensors are spiking. There is a massive source of heat and energy coming from the mound ahead. It shouldn't be active after all this time. The light is rhythmic, like a heartbeat. We are approaching what appears to be a power source, still functioning in the dark heart of the abyss. The signal is degrading. The energy from the ruins is jamming our transmission. We must record everything locally before we lose the connection entirely now. This place was designed for a massive gathering. A civilization thrived here, thousands of feet below where any human could ever survive or breathe today. That's not stone. It's a metallic alloy that doesn't show any signs of corrosion. This material is far more advanced than anything from our era. It looks like a circuit board, but made of gold and crystal. The technology here is integrated with the very stone of the ancient city itself. This wasn't just a temple, it was a living city, a vast metropolis hidden from the world, protected by the most dangerous waters on Earth. Even in this graveyard, life finds a way. The fish seem to be drawn to the energy of the ruins, dancing in the light we brought. The triangle symbol, it's everywhere. Could this be the origin of the name? A mark left by the builders to define their territory and power. The door is moving. Something has been triggered by our presence. The drone's sensors are screaming as the structural vibrations increase to a dangerous level. Behold, the center of the mystery. A massive pyramid made of dark glass, standing at the very bottom of the Bermuda Triangle's deepest trench now. The surface is flawless. It's as if it was placed here yesterday. Not a single barnacle or scratch can be seen on its dark, crystalline face. It's acting like a giant mirror. The drone sees itself in the glass, a tiny machine facing a monument of infinite and terrifying ancient power. The light at the apex is accelerating its pulse. It feels like a beacon, signaling something far away, or perhaps something deep within the Earth itself. From this height, the city's design is clear. Everything is oriented toward the pyramid, making it the literal and spiritual heart of this underwater world. The vibration is becoming physical. You can see the water itself reacting to the frequency. This is not natural. It is a high-energy acoustic event. A vortex is forming. The pyramid is manipulating the water around us. It's as if the structure is beginning to communicate through the liquid medium. We are witnessing a dialogue with the water. The pyramid is using the ocean itself as a conductor for its message and its immense energy. The whole structure is waking up. It's a living machine, a crystalline computer of vast proportions that has been waiting for the right moment to activate. Our power is failing. The drone's internal systems are being drained by the pyramid's field. We are losing control of the mechanical explorer very quickly. Symbols are appearing. They look like a language of mathematics and light. The pyramid is showing us its core logic, its purpose, and its history. The symbols are dynamic. They are shifting and changing, responding to our presence. This is an interactive intelligence that is far beyond our current comprehension. The ground is opening up. Spires are rising like antennas from the sea floor. The entire area is transforming into a massive transmitter of some kind. The darkness is gone. The pyramid has turned the abyss into a world of light. It's a breathtaking and terrifying sight that defies all scientific laws. An entrance has opened at the base. It's an invitation or a trap. We have no choice but to send the drone inside to find out. Inside, it's a temple of information. The walls are not solid. They are made of a liquid that displays the movements of distant solar systems. We are looking at Earth's past. The pyramid has been here for eons, recording the changes of our planet and the evolution of our world. In the center is the heart of the machine, a floating sphere that seems to be the source of the energy and the strange transmissions. It's looking at us. The sphere has acknowledged our drone. We are experiencing a direct interface with an intelligence that is millions of years old. Time itself is behaving strangely. Our internal clocks are losing sync with the surface. The laws of relativity are being pushed to their absolute limit. And then, just like that, it's gone. The interior is now just a cold, empty stone room. Was it an illusion or a temporary reality? We are pushing further into the forbidden land. This crack leads below the seafloor into a place that should not exist in our physical world. Welcome to the Forbidden Land, a place where the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle are etched into the very bones of the Earth's deep crust. These symbols are a map to a hidden energy. They describe a power source that could fuel a civilization or destroy a world in seconds. Is this a storage facility? These pods are perfectly preserved. Could they contain the builders of this city, waiting in a sleep that lasts millennia? There is something inside, a silhouette that is almost human, but not quite. We are looking at the survivors of a forgotten, advanced civilization. The drone is reaching its limit. The energy in this chamber is so intense that our shielding is beginning to fail under the constant bombardment. This is it, the source of the triangle's power. A massive, perpetual energy reactor that has been running for thousands, if not millions of years. The sound is deafening. It's the sound of a star being born or a world being torn apart. The energy output is absolutely beyond measurement. Energy orbs are emerging. They seem to be scanning the drone, analyzing our technology, and reporting back to the core's central processing system now. We are losing the visual. The reality inside this chamber is so distorted that our cameras can no longer process the information they are seeing. Is this a memory from the core? A vision of Atlantis before the fall? The images are clear and beautiful, a paradise lost to the waves. We have very little time left. The battery is almost dead. We must try to get the drone out of here before it becomes a permanent part of the ruins. The cavern is reacting to our departure. The walls are shifting, closing the path we took to get here. We are being trapped in the dark. Full power. The drone is fighting to escape. We cannot lose the footage. This is the most important discovery in the history of human exploration. We made it out. The entrance has sealed itself shut. It's as if the Forbidden Land was never there, a dream of light and stone. The pyramid has gone dark. The city is once again a silent graveyard. The secrets have returned to their long sleep beneath the heavy, dark waves. An earthquake? No, it's a release of energy. The triangle is reacting to our intrusion, sending a final warning to the world above its depths. The drone is damaged, the structural integrity is compromised. It's a miracle it's still functioning at all after what we have just witnessed today. We are going home, but we are not the same. What we have seen changes everything we thought we knew about our planet and our history. The graveyard of ships is quiet now. They are the victims of a power they couldn't understand, a power we have finally seen with our own eyes. Something is watching our departure, a presence that remains in the abyss, guarding the secrets that the world is not yet ready to know or handle. Signal lost. The connection is severed. The drone is gone, swallowed by the same void that has claimed so many before it throughout the long centuries. The ocean is calm now, as if nothing happened. It hides its secrets well, beneath a mask of blue water and white foam that never speaks. Are we truly alone on this planet, or do we share it with a civilization that has been here much longer than we have ever imagined? The evidence is undeniable. We have seen structures that defy explanation and technology that surpasses our wildest dreams in the deepest dark of the sea. The weight of the truth is heavy. To know that such power exists just beneath the surface is a burden that few are prepared to carry. It's still there. The source of the signal hasn't moved. It's waiting, a silent sentinel in the dark, watching the world above with a cold eye. The weather is turning. The triangle is reclaiming its territory, hiding its scars behind the fury of a storm that keeps the curious at a distance. Nature is a master of disguise. In just a few hours, the seafloor has been reset, burying our path and our discoveries under a billion grains. Was it the truth, or just an illusion caused by the extreme pressure and our own desire to find meaning in the vast and empty darkness? The legends were right. The stories passed down through generations were not just myths, but warnings of a reality that is far more terrifying than fiction. The data has been encrypted. The world may never see the full recordings of what the drone found at the bottom of the triangle's dark trench. Traces remain. Small fragments of the truth occasionally find their way to our shores, waiting for someone with the courage to look at them closely. We leave the Bermuda Triangle behind, but its shadow will follow us forever. The abyss has a way of staying with you, even in light. The drone is a ghost now, a silent witness to a world we were never meant to see, drifting in the eternal currents of the deep ocean. The connection is clear. The heart of the triangle is the tomb of a world that once ruled the earth with technology and power beyond measure. As above, so below. The stars and the sea are two halves of the same mystery, both hiding secrets that we are only beginning to uncover. Now it is your turn to reflect. What do you believe is hidden beneath the waves? Is it a threat, a gift, or a forgotten history? The conversation has just begun. Your thoughts and your theories are the next step in solving the puzzle of the Bermuda Triangle and its ruins. We are a small part of a much larger story. Our planet still has many secrets, and the greatest of them are often hidden in plain sight. The drone has reached the bottom, but our journey is far from over. The truth is out there, waiting for the next brave soul to dive. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next expedition into the unknown. The world is full of wonders, and we will find them. Let us know your theories in the comments below, because this deep secret might not want to be found by the prying eyes of humanity just yet.